Good morning to all. Today we will start the next topic of Vedic period, that is social organization. As you know that Vedic period is divided into two parts, early and later. So we will learn about the social organizing during that time. So in Rig Vedic time is early Vedic period time. Aryans lived in a village, and the family was the fundamental unit of the society, and it was patriarchal. Patriarchal means that the oldest male member of the family was the head of the family, and he was that oldest male member was called Grahpati, as well as one more name is given, that is Kulpati. So during that time, head male member, oldest male member was called Grahpati or Kulpati. So during that time, after the death of Grahpati, all the responsibility shifted to the next person, that is shifted to his eldest son. So during that time, society was divided into three parts. First is villages, means the first unit. Several families lived in gram or villages. Several villages formed the Visha, and many Vishas formed the Jana. So first is village, number of villages formed Visha, and number of Vishas joined, when joined together we will called Jana. And head of the villages, what we call to that person, Gramani. Head of the village means Sarpanch during that time, during the early Vedic period. Village head known as Gramani. And when several villages come together to that territory, we will call Visha, and head of Visha we will called Vishapati. Next is when number of Vishas join together, we form Jana, and the head of Jana is king. So during that time, during early Vedic period, this was the social organization. So Jana was ruled by the head, that is the king. One more name is given to that to king during that time, that is Rajan. So king was assisted by three ministers. Number of ministers was there who assist king, who help king during that time. So king was assisted by three main ministers. One is Gramani, next one is Purohit, and the third one is Senani. So three main ministers' names are there in your books. Try to learn the name of ministers who assist king during the early Vedic period. So who was Senani? Senani was the commander of the army, who regulate the army, who look after the army, who maintain the army. That person is Senani. Next is next minister name is Purohit. Purohita. Purohita, who perform the religious ceremony or religious rituals functions related to religion, performed by Purohita, or we can say that priest. The next minister is Gramni. Gramni means Sarpanch of village, head of village. So Gramni is a person who look after the administration of the village. So administration of the village was carried out by the Gramni. So three main persons, three main minister was there who assist king during the early Vedic period. So next is one is three ministers who assist king. Next is three assemblies formed by the king. So for the help, king maintain three assemblies. He maintained three assemblies. One is Sabha, another one is Simiti, and third one is Vidhata. So number of functions performed by three assemblies. First, we will learn about the Vidhata. Vidhata was the name of assembly, and that assembly performed all kind of functions like economic, military, religious, and social. Means all functions performed by the Vidhata except advisory and judicial function, because advisory and judicial function was performed by the Sabha. Sabha means the council of elders. And this Simiti was the name of the assembly of the people. Simiti means assembly of the people, and that Simiti was called to session on a special occasion. On special occasion only Simiti was called to session by the king. So three assemblies organized by the king, and they performed different functions to help king. So this type of the social organization was there, and in assemblies during that time the position of the woman is good, so that's why women took part in assemblies also. They also gave their opinions regarding the functions. So that type of social organization was there during the early Vedic period. For king, three ministers are there and three assemblies are there. So in the later Vedic period, all these things change. Means first changes was there that kingship came to be regarded as the divine. Divine means the divine element came to be associated with the kings. His that kingship became hereditary during the later Vedic period. Next is Vidhata. As we learned that Vidhata, the assembly, one of the assembly organized by the king, which perform all kind of function, economic, military, religious and social, that Vidhata disappear. Next is Sabha and Simiti, which have had importance during that time. They lost their importance, they decline in importance. And next is third one is women. Women were no longer permitted to attend these assembly. As in early Vedic period, women took participate in assemblies, but in later Vedic period, women were no longer permitted to attend these assemblies. Clear? So these type of changes was there. Thank you.